Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in Sting Gray. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, headlamp washers, 20-inch black satin aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston fixed front brakes, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, bright quad exhaust tips, Laguna leather performance seats, heated steering wheel, 200-mile-per-hour primary speedometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, SELEC-TRAC system, second row heated seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5466.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.